how to add your MagicMobile Pass to your Apple Wallet so you can use it with your Apple Watch. So first you want to open up your My Disney Experience app. If it's new, your pass may show up on the home page. If it doesn't, go to the bottom menu and select the spyglass. You're going to type MagicMobile into the search bar. It will probably pop up before you're done typing, so you can go ahead and select it in the menu. Next, you want to select Set Up Your Pass. You'll have the option to select a design for the cover of your pass, and it's like ordering a real card but digital. So once you're satisfied with the specs of your card, you want to select Add to Apple Wallet. And then you're going to select Add. And that's it. You're ready to use your new MagicMobile Pass with your Apple Watch. All done. And this is what it'll look like when you go back to look at your MagicMobile Pass on My Disney Experience. Thanks for watching.